Hi guys, welcome to this newest video. This is a very quick tutorial video which a lot of people actually are very confused about. So this video is mainly about LUTs. So if you guys are interested on this kind of things, then do make sure to subscribe, press the like button, comment down below. Let's get started. So a lot of people comment in my videos that a LUT is not looking very good, the LUT is looking very intense, the LUT is not looking that great as it should be. Well, let me tell you that each and every LUT is specifically made for a color space. Mostly in my case, I make it for Cinephore kind of style. However, if you guys want to play with the LUT and play with the intensity of the LUTs, I would definitely recommend use any kind of software such as LUT or maybe Color Finale for Final Cut Pro. If you have something like Premiere Pro, then always make sure to use the Limetry panel, which is by far the best one, free one, inbuilt one, etc. And the thing which I always mention is that always make sure to play with the intensity of the LUT. Yes, you heard it right. Play with the intensity of the LUT as well as the blending mode of the LUT. Because if you guys play with the intensity of the LUT, you guys will see that the LUT is changing rapidly and it is not looking that much intense anymore. This is just one very simple tip which a lot of people don't know yet. So this is why I'm telling this, that always make sure to play with the intensity of the LUT. And another trick is that always make sure to combine two LUTs together as well as reduce their intensity to create new kind of LUTs. This can actually take your videos to the next level because you guys are combining two different kinds of LUTs, but make sure to play with the intensity of them, because two LUTs both Cinephore style combined together will look very intense. Your shadows, your blacks, your contrast will be way off the charts. It is not going to look good unless and until you play with the intensities well, play with the other things such as the basic colors of the video itself. But that should be pretty much it. You will get a totally new color with those LUTs and it will absolutely look gorgeous if and only if you use it right. If you don't use it right, of course it is going to mess up the video a lot. Don't do that. Always make sure to experiment. Experimentation is always and always the key. Make sure to do that. I'm Pixel Sammy. We'll be back to a new video soon. Peace.